To make a candle with the Living Good Candle Company candle making kit, clean out an old candle jar or use a heat-resistant jar for the wax. And I'll put a link to a video on how to clean out an old candle jar. Measure the opening diameter and divide by 1.5 to get the recommended number of wicks that should be used. If you have a fraction, round the number up. Or you can use this chart. If you use less than the recommended wicks, it can cause tunneling, which is a hole that forms around the wick. For this jar, the opening size is 4 inches and it should have 3 wicks. 4 divided by 1.5 is 2.66, which you would round up to 3 wicks. Put the double-sided adhesive on the bottom of the wick. Remove the backing and stick the wick to the bottom of the jar. If you're using multiple wicks, space them evenly. You can melt the wax in a microwave or hot water. For a microwave, open the wax pouch and put the pouch in the microwave. Heat it for 2 to 2.5 minutes on high. For hot water, leave the pouch sealed and set it in a bowl of hot water for 20 to 30 minutes until the wax is melted. Once the wax is melted inside the pouch, let it set for 5 to 10 minutes. Slowly pour the wax into the jar. Use a wick holder for each wick to keep the wick in place as the wax cools. Allow the wax to cool for 24 hours. After 24 hours, remove the wick holders. Then trim the wicks down to 1/4 inch above the wax before using the candle.